Experience tranquility and luxury at the Open House in Bali. Nestled in the heart of Bali, the Open House offers a serene and luxurious retreat for travelers seeking a peaceful escape. With its stunning architecture, impeccable service, and breathtaking views, this 4-star hotel is the perfect choice for those looking to indulge in the beauty of this tropical paradise. Upon entering the Open House, guests are greeted by a warm and inviting atmosphere. The hotel boasts 17 beautifully designed rooms, each thoughtfully decorated with a blend of modern elegance and traditional Balinese charm. Whether you choose a spacious suite or a cozy room, you can expect nothing less than absolute comfort and relaxation during your stay. Check-in at the Open House begins at 2 p.m., allowing guests ample time to settle in and explore the hotel's many amenities. From the moment you step foot in this tranquil oasis, you will be captivated by its lush gardens, sparkling swimming pool, and panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The hotel's attentive staff is always on hand to ensure that your every need is met, making your stay truly unforgettable. Families traveling with young children will be pleased to know that the Open House welcomes little ones with open arms. Children between the ages of 3 to 4 can stay free of charge, allowing families to create lasting memories together. The hotel's child-friendly facilities and activities provide endless entertainment for the little ones, while parents can unwind and enjoy some well-deserved relaxation. Conveniently located just 5 minutes away from the airport and 2.9 kilometers from the city center, the Open House offers easy access to Bali's top attractions. Whether you're looking to explore the vibrant markets, immerse yourself in the local culture, or simply bask in the sun on pristine beaches, this hotel serves as the perfect base for your adventures. Escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and experience tranquility and luxury at the Open House. With its exceptional service, stunning surroundings, and child-friendly policies, this hotel is a haven for travelers of all ages. Book your stay today and embark on a journey of relaxation and rejuvenation in the enchanting island of Bali. Endless entertainment at the Open House. When it comes to entertainment, the Open House in Bali, Indonesia, has it all. From the moment you step foot into this luxurious retreat, you'll be captivated by the array of entertainment facilities available. Indulge in a shopping spree at the on-site shops, where you can find unique souvenirs and gifts to take home. Afterward, head to the bar for a refreshing cocktail or a glass of fine wine, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. For those seeking relaxation, the Open House offers a range of rejuvenating options. Pamper yourself with a soothing massage at the spa, or unwind in a sauna for a truly blissful experience. The lush garden provides a tranquil setting to reconnect with nature, while the games room offers hours of fun for both kids and adults. If you're in the mood for some quiet time, the library is the perfect place to curl up with a good book. With its diverse range of entertainment facilities, the Open House ensures that every guest's desires are met. Whether you're looking for excitement, relaxation, or a bit of both, this hotel has it all. So, come and experience the ultimate in entertainment at the Open House in Bali. Unleash your inner athlete at the Open House's state-of-the-art sports facilities at the Open House in Bali, Indonesia. Sports enthusiasts are in for a treat with an array of top-notch facilities that cater to all interests. Dive into the refreshing waters of the indoor and outdoor pools, perfect for a rejuvenating swim or a lively water workout. For those who prefer a more active experience, head to the on-site golf course to practice your swing and enjoy the stunning views of the surrounding landscape. If you're a fan of water sports, the Open House has you covered with a range of non-motorized options. Grab a kayak or a canoe and explore the crystal-clear waters at your own pace. Alternatively, embark on an exciting fishing trip or discover the vibrant marine life through snorkeling or diving excursions. The hotel also offers boats for hire, allowing you to venture further and discover hidden coves and secluded beaches. For nature lovers and adventure seekers, the Open House provides access to nearby hiking trails that wind through lush forests and offer breathtaking vistas. After an invigorating hike, unwind and find your inner peace in the dedicated yoga room, where experienced instructors guide you through relaxing and energizing sessions.